Number 34. What are the stakes? What's the worst that can happen? And this needs to be considered not only for your protagonist, but for all of your characters, even the secondaries. One of the reasons this matters is that it ensures that the characters are there to serve the story, that they have a vested interest in what's happening, in what they do, in the causality. I do something that causes a reaction in others or in a machine or to a situation. It all comes back to what are the stakes. In Sandra Brown's Tailspin, for example, the doctor is on a mission to deliver a single dose of a pharmaceutical miracle to save a dying child. If she fails, the child will die. Those are stakes worth fighting for. How about you? What's the worst that will happen in your story? I'd love to hear your situation, your stakes, and for your protagonist, for your secondary characters. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this topic. I read all the comments. Better yet, go ahead and record a video and upload it using the hashtag BeatTheBotsBook. Don't forget to tag me too, so I can spread the word, so I can amplify your voice, because your voice matters. You matter. If you found your way to this video in any way other than the book, Beat the Bots, A Writer's Guide to Surviving and Thriving in the Age of AI, I hope you'll take a look at the book. It is designed to help you bring forth, to harness your innate creativity. That's how we'll beat the bots, by bringing truly fresh ideas. And now I have worksheets and exercises, so much professional advice. I'd also be very appreciative if you'd ask your librarian to put it on the shelf, and your local bookstore too. I'd be so grateful.